Hey everyone, it's Lee here, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to disable focus modes on your iPhone running iOS 15 Plus. If you're finding these focus modes annoying or you're simply just not using them, let's work through disabling and deleting them. Firstly, let's head into our settings by tapping on the settings icon here on the home screen. Now we're in the settings, let's scroll down towards the bottom and you'll see focus, not actually do not disturb. So let's tap on that to access the various focus modes. Now we're in here. If you want to delete or disable any of the focus modes, tap on the one you want to modify. For instance, if we want to remove the work mode, I can tap on it, and at the very top there's a toggle to turn it on or off. However, if you scroll down to the bottom, there's an option to delete the focus mode. Tap on it, hit delete, and hit delete again, and now the work focus is being deleted and no longer an option. You can repeat these steps to remove focus modes. You can remove sleep or personal, or modify them however you see fit. And that's it. You successfully disabled and deleted focus modes on your iPhone running iOS 15 Plus. If you have any questions or comments, let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.